Hi, it's Nyrie Roos here, your big blue ocean business and life strategist. This is the place where we help you get your shift together. I'm curious, do you want to start, run and succeed in your own business? Do you want work that's meaningful, profitable and makes a difference? As a business and life strategist, what becomes clear to me is that we all want to do what we were put on this earth to do. Earn a good living, take care of our families, and make a positive difference for others. But running a business that you can be proud of requires enormous focus, courage, and tenacity. Most of all, it requires consistent action and a willingness to play the long game. To do this effectively, you need clarity, vision, and the ability to execute consistently on the right strategies. However, without a roadmap or guidance, the process can be overwhelming. And so, when you're launching or running a business, there are so many things you can do and so many things that you feel like you have to do that it feels impossible to know what you actually must do and what to focus on first. As you begin to ask yourself these questions, the overwhelming fear kicks in and you feel stuck, and so it becomes very difficult to take decisive action and you end up making very little progress. In my experience, the biggest chokehold in any business is usually the mindset and skill of the owner or the leader. But here's the thing, you can get any skill set if you had the mindset. And so, if 80% of success in business is the mindset of the owner and the remaining 20% is the mechanics of the business, that's where our work together begins. Each week, my intention is to serve this community through videos, articles and posts that challenge and direct you to become clear about your why, the what and the how, sharing with you effective strategies to create a meaningful and profitable business. And so, whether you want to turn your side hustle into your full-time business, take your existing company to new heights, or you're just starting out in your business, come and hang out with me because this is where the shift goes down. I'm deeply committed to helping you and your business to be a force for good that fuels higher profits and your higher purpose. This is where we shift from knowing to doing, offering up only the best results-driven training and mentoring, personalised support, coaching, connections and resources for all of you working in a business as a business leader or on their business as business owners. Let me, my team, and our community of big-hearted doers support and share with you in your growth and success. Millions of us were ignited and inspired by Oprah's Golden Globe speech, where she said, "Speaking your truth is the most powerful tool we all have." I couldn't agree with her more. I believe your voice, along with your vision, gifts and talents are needed like never before in the world. I believe you have something special to offer, and please don't stop until you figure out what that is and then go and do it. Follow your heart, even when everybody else thinks you're going crazy. Be brave and trust your own wisdom. The most important question you can ask yourself around this right now is, what is holding you back? So dig deep on the truth of where you're at. Let's help you get clear on your vision, talk strategy and support you to leverage your gifts to run a modern business that matters. Come on, ladies and gents, let's get our business shift together because together we can make an impact and go on to change the world. Thank you so much for watching and I can't wait to see you next week.